There's a new law in Minnesota tonight making it easier to outline your wishes for after you're gone. And while you might think that's a conversation for later in life, Jennifer Hoff explains the best time to start a will is now when she joins us. Jennifer.
Randy, in fact, experts say that anybody 18 and older should make a will. The new law streamlines that entire process, putting it all online, and that makes Minnesota just the 13th state to do that.
It's not always top of mind.
We've always said we were supposed to do this.
Plus, it can be confusing and even scary to make a will, partly why I don't have one yet.
Yeah.
But attorney Mitch Mitchell is changing that.
It's not just for the wealthy. It's not just for the elderly. Our mission is to make estate planning more accessible to everyone.
A step-by-step process. His company makes executing a will more convenient, affordable, and entirely online.
I was the chief author of that bill this year.
With State Senator Bonnie Westland.
People don't like to deal with things around death, but this is such an important thing in terms of planning for your family and for your future.
Fewer than 1/3 of Americans have a will that requires several witnesses and signatures on what are usually printed documents. COVID easing that idea back when people couldn't gather.
Why is this a process that then is so difficult and archaic when it's one that is so important?
It traces back to Old English law, where eventually people were able to, without permission of the crown, pass on their wealth.
Minnesota is now the 13th state to pass e-will legislation, valid due to a decades-old e-commerce law that let you buy something online with a credit card, and now even includes remote notaries.
It's neat to see a state lead on this and just get it done.
Pre-planning that can help protect your family from worry or worse.
People are going to be grieving in their own way. And that creates a unique opportunity for conflict. And that's one nice thing about this is it's an option.
Now, concerns about fraud still exist, of course, and that's one reason that some states are hesitant to pass a law like this. But Mitchell says they use something called knowledge-based authentication to help prove your identity that other services use, like DocuSign, which you may have used if you've ever opened a new account or completed a loan transaction online. Randy?
All right, thank you.